I have been vegan for almost 9 years and have been sharing healthy, high-protein, plant-based recipes here on the interwebs for almost 4. You would imagine that I've got a few favorite breakfast recipes up here that I go back to over and over again. It's true, I do. Mostly because they are ridiculously delicious, super healthy, rich in protein, and a lot of them are really great for meal prep, which is awesome if you're that kind of person. Make sure you guys subscribe below if you love high-protein, plant-based recipes, and let's get right into my top 5 vegan breakfast recipes. Yeah! Starting with number 5. I have yet to meet an individual who does not like pancakes. Anyone? Anyone? No? If you don't like pancakes for some reason, I suggest you try mine. These are my high-protein banana pancakes, and oh my gosh, they're mind-bendingly easy to make. You throw all the ingredients in a blender. They are soft on the inside, they're crispy golden edges on the outside. They have just the right amount of banana flavor. They're not too sweet. I like to add protein powder in mine. I love to use the unflavored plant-based protein powder from Compliment. I use it all the time. You guys can check it out in the description box if you want to. I've got a little discount code for you. Overall, these are my go-to pancakes. They have been for years, and you have to try making them. You will love them. We're using gluten-free rolled oats. I've got a cup of them. Next up, we're gonna be adding in some hemp seeds. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of those. We're gonna need a nice, almost very brown, ripe banana. We're also just gonna add a little kiss of maple syrup, just a tablespoon, you don't need much. I always like to add a little bit of nut butter to my pancake batter because I find that it kind of just helps to slightly thicken up the batter so that's not too runny. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and baking powder, plus a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna add some plant milk right into the blender. We're gonna add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And lastly, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of plant-based protein powder. Now we just gotta blend this bad boy. Help me, Oprah Winfrey. Oh yes! You guys need to make these. A little bit fluffy, a little bit chewy, a lot of it delicious. Moving right along with my breakfast recipe number 4. It's my carrot cake pumpkin spice overnight oats. These are loaded with 22 grams of protein per serving. They are thick and creamy, and oh my gosh, the taste is like if carrot cake had a baby with pumpkin pie or pumpkin pie spice, and the combination is to die for. This is probably one of my most indulgent tasting breakfasts, yet it doesn't have the indulgent calories to go along with it. It is, oh, so good. One of the best overnight oat recipes I have on the channel and on my blog. You gotta try making it. We are gonna start off by whisking up all of our wet ingredients, okay? We're gonna add 1 cup of soy milk plus 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup for a little of sweetness, 1/2 cup of vanilla plant-based protein yogurt, plus 1/2 cup of canned pumpkin puree, or again, you can make your own, a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're also going to whisk in our 1 scoop of our vanilla protein powder. Okay, just set this aside for a moment. And now we are simply just going to quickly peel and grate our carrot. I would recommend using the large whole side of a box grater. Add in the shredded carrot to the liquid, along with our 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of our raisins, 1½ tablespoons of chia seeds, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Get everything totally combined till it looks something like this. It looks like you could practically just eat it right now. But no, you do need to let this sit for at least 4 hours, or up to overnight. Let's get it into some jars. So now let's just cover these, pop them in the fridge. And then in the morning, once it's all soaked up and it's nice and thick, you can go ahead and top it with some plant-based vegan vanilla yogurt. Add a few pecans on top, maybe add a little dusting of cinnamon if you're feeling adventurous. And there you go, you have literally the most decadent, dessert-tasting overnight oats. All right, people, we are just flying right through this countdown, moving right along to recipe number 3. It's my totally vegan breakfast sausages. Oh, you guys have not lived until you have tried these. They are delightfully chewy and meaty on the inside, crispy on the outside. They're pretty much made with all healthy whole plant food ingredients. They've got 13 grams of protein per sausage. They're perfectly mapley sweet, yet so savory. They are life-changing, to say the least. They're better than any vegan store-bought breakfast sausage, like Beyond Meat. They're better than Beyond Meat. You gotta try them. Here's the recipe. The main ingredient for these sausages is the humble block of tofu. We've got extra firm here. Beaut. Okay, we can set that aside for a moment. I've got half a cup of chopped walnuts. I'm just gonna soak them in some hot water for about 10 or 15 minutes. All right, next up, we've got ourselves a fine little apple here. We're gonna shred this up. Yoink. Okay, so we're just going to plop that into a bowl and set it aside. Next, we've got an onion. Just chop up your onion nice and fine as you can get it. We've also got a few cloves of garlic. Give that a good mince. It's a beaut. All right, onion, garlic into a bowl. Okay, so we're just gonna get some oil heating up in a pan, and then we're gonna saute our aromatics, the onion and the garlic first. Let's add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. So what we're gonna do now is we're just going to transfer all of this into a bowl, and then we'll move on to cooking the tofu. Just a touch more oil, just a little bit. Okay, in goes the tofu. Whoa. Sizzle, baby, sizzle. I'm gonna add back the onion, garlic, apples, and season the ever-loving goodness out of this situation. So I've got 3 tablespoons here of maple syrup. I've got 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce, plus 2 teaspoons of some balsamic vinegar. We've got some smoked paprika, salt and pepper, sage, garlic powder, a little bit of nutmeg and cayenne, and even some thyme in there. If I had fennel seeds, I'd add them, but I just don't, so that's okay. Oh my God, do you see that? Oh. Okay, lastly, we're gonna add in our 1/4 cup of tomato paste, plus those soaked walnuts that we had going a little while ago. Keep your temperature at like medium-low now. So I've got 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast here, plus I've also got a couple tablespoons of oat flour. So I'm gonna grab a little plate, which I've got here. I'm gonna add some water from my kettle, fill it up high-ish. I'm just gonna add like a couple glug-glugs of some soy sauce and a nice little glug of maple syrup. Yoink. Now I'm gonna dip the rice paper into the seasoned water. Now I can take that mixture, plop it in the center of the rice paper. You can kind of just like form it into a sausage-like structure, and then just kind of roll it up, baby. The rice paper kind of softens as it sits there, so you can just kind of roll it like this. Yes, that looks pretty sweet. All right, air fryer versus pan fry. Delicious. Oh my God. Wow, that is really good. Smashing success. I just want to say, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. It's free to subscribe to Steamy Vegan. I just love sharing with you guys how to cook healthy, high-protein, plant-based recipes. I drop 2 videos a week every single week, and I just want to be here for you to help you with all of your plant-based needs, no matter where you are in your plant-based journey. I don't even care if you are or aren't plant-based. I just want to be friends. I just want to be your girl and have a good time here with you guys. So join the community below, and let's move on with the countdown. We're already at recipe number 2, and it is none other than my high-protein cereal. Now, what I'm about to say is gonna sound wild, but this might be the most revolutionary recipe I have made in ever, literally ever. This is almost tied for top spot for me. This is so good, you guys. Each serving has 30 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber per serving. It is ridiculously crunchy. Stays crunchy the whole time in a bowl of milk. No soggy bits at all. Made with all healthy whole food plant ingredients. Lasts forever in a sealed container, and it is perfect for meal prep. You just take a scoop, put it in the bowl, pour in some milk, you're good to go, live your life. Please, don't walk, run to your kitchens right now, pause this video, and go make my protein cereal. We are going to take said TVP, 1 cup, add it to the bowl. Next up, we've got a whole cup of sprouted gluten-free rolled oats. For some extra crunch factor, we're gonna add in some pumpkin seeds. We've got some hemp seeds and ground flax seeds. We're gonna add that to the bowl, along with a couple tablespoons of chia seeds. We've got some protein powder. I am using half a cup of the Compliment Vanilla plant-based protein powder. This next ingredient is optional, but I highly recommend you add it if you can. It is PB Fit, or powdered peanut butter. It's a lower fat version of peanut butter. A lot of the fat has been removed and it's been dehydrated into a powder that you usually would reconstitute with a liquid to create peanut butter. But we're just gonna add it in dry. We're gonna add in a good dose of some cinnamon. I've got like a heaping teaspoon here. A quarter teaspoon of some salt just to help bring out flavors. We've got a third of a cup of some maple syrup and a teaspoon of some vanilla extract. And give it all a good mixy. Grab yourself a baking tray, line it with some parchment paper, dump it to crumpet. Spread that cereal into an even layer and pop it in the oven. We're gonna let this bake for 20 minutes. Oh my God. Do you hear this crunch, people? Do you hear it? Drum roll, please, for my #1 top vegan breakfast recipe that you simply need to have in your life. Are you ready for it? You seem like you're ready for it. It is my sausage and egg breakfast casserole. Yeah, you heard that right. A totally vegan sausage and egg casserole. Let that sink in for a moment. We've got tons of veggies in this casserole. We've got a layer of a fluffy tofu egg mixture, chewy and hearty vegan sausage crumbles on top made from TVP. We've got a layer of vegan cheddar cheese on top. This casserole tastes like it should be really, really unhealthy. I mean, it tastes eggy, tastes cheesy, tastes meaty, all things that are not really that good for you. But this recipe is so high in protein, depending on how much you eat, 23 to 34 grams of protein per serving. Here's the recipe. You guys definitely have to try making it. Let's get into the first step. We're gonna be rehydrating our TVP. So we've got some Italian seasoning, some garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of pepper and red chili flakes. We're just going to toss those dry seasonings in with the TVP and mix them up until they're well incorporated. And then we're going to pour over 2 cups of boiling hot water into the dry TVP just to let it reabsorb for about 5 to 10 minutes. So we have 3 remaining ingredients to season our TVP with. I have 3 tablespoons here of soy sauce. I've also got 2 teaspoons here of liquid smoke. And then I also have a tablespoon here of maple syrup. We're going to now add in our TVP. And we're also going to add in our mushrooms. So while the TVP sausage crumbles are doing their thing over on the stove, we are going to work on our tofu eggy mixture. Just crumble your tofu. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. We've got some nutritional yeast, plus some cornstarch, and then we have some turmeric, black pepper, garlic powder, and black salt, and we have some soy milk. We want the texture to be like, kind of like a thick batter, like a really thick pancake batter. Arrange it in one lovely little layer. Now we're going to take our blender full of our tofu eggy batter, and we're just going to pour it right over top. Let her bake for about 30 minutes or so, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna sprinkle over our last layer of sausage crumbles on top with some vegan cheese, pop her back in the oven, and let the cheese melt for about 10 minutes, and then she's done. Oh my God. If you want a high protein meal prep breakfast, this is it. Nailed it. There you have it, my friends. I hope you really loved this compilation video. I had so much fun filming it for you. Definitely subscribe below. Again, just a little friendly reminder, I don't want you to miss out on future videos just like this one. In fact, I've posted a couple compilation videos already this year, right here and right here. My absolute top favorite vegan recipes and my top 5 tofu recipes. You gotta check them all out. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see ya in another video real soon.